Hi, this is Dr. Truong. I made this video so that I can show you how to do a neck retraction exercise properly. And the purpose behind this particular neck retraction exercise is to help the joint between the occiput, which is your skull, the bottom part of your skull, and where it meets up with the atlas, which is the top part of the atlas. The atlas is the top bone in your neck that surrounds your brainstem. So this joint, they make a joint. And so what I want to do is to help you mobilize that joint so it frees up. So if you do this properly and you do this more regularly, what will happen is this joint will actually have more mobility. And when it goes out of alignment, let's say your atlas goes out of alignment, it has the ability to pull itself out of alignment and to be more stable. So that's really the goal of this particular exercise. And it needs to be done on a regular basis. I will recommend doing it every day. I would recommend doing it, especially in the morning when you wake up and before you go to sleep. Now, if you can do more, great. If you can do it in the middle of the day, awesome. But let me show you what needs to be done, okay? So first off, you need to know where the reference point is. So on your body, your chest is actually the reference point, meaning that this is the stationary point of your body. And then you're going to use your hand to cup your chin. And what you're going to do is you're going to push the chin back, kind of like making a double chin, if you will, like so. And I'm going to turn around to the side so you can see what I'm doing here. So again, one hand holds down on your chest so you know, you kind of feel where the stationary point is. And then the other hand is going to cup the chin, and then you're going to guide or glide the chin back. And if you do this properly, the back should feel straight. The upper back feels like it's more erect, more straight. And if you do this right, you also feel the neck being straight and also the muscles go into a little bit of a tension, and that's fine. So typically our heads kind of hold like this, and then when you push back, you should feel that. And when you do that, like I said, you're going to feel like your upper back's more straight, and you want to hold it for about 2 seconds, and then you let go. And it naturally will jut forward, okay? And just let that do that. Don't actively help it along. Just let it do that. And then again, you want to do it again. Hold it for 2 seconds. And you should let it go after 2 seconds. And you want to do this about 5 times per set, so 5 reps per set. And if you feel that you can increase it more over time, that's great. But I'm going to start you off at 5 reps per set. And you know, again, do that in the morning, and you want to do that at night. Now, I'm more concerned about the actual technique behind it than, you know, how many times you do it. So if you do it 5 times, but if you do it correctly, it's going to be the maximum benefit to your neck and your ability to free up that misalignment, especially when it does come on. Mind you, there's 16 different muscles that support that joint, the skull and the atlas. So those muscles need to be reprogrammed, especially when you get adjusted. It does help with that process, but this will actually allow the joint to be more mobile, and it's a mobilization technique that I'm teaching you. And if you do this frequently, you do this on a routine basis, it's going to help you hold your adjustment better, and it will actually allow you to have less misalignments being stuck in one position and causing nerve irritation to this area. So I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, please contact my office at area code 213-385-3858. I'd love to answer any questions for you regarding this particular neck retraction exercise. And I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got something out of it. You have a wonderful day.